Hey guys, welcome to our new video. Today I'm gonna show you how you guys can upgrade your E90 shifter to any other F30 style shifter. So it's pretty basic. So you can change it to the LED one, which I got it from Amazon. So let me show you now. So we are upgrading to this one, and yeah, everything gonna light up, and we're gonna change it to this one, and I'll show you how to do it. So first of all, you have to put your car in neutral, turn the ignition on. Once the ignition is on, you can put your car in neutral, or you can put it in the drive. Let me turn on everything. So, and to pull this out, it's pretty easy. You have to press that button which we use to move our gear. So it's over there. You can press this and you can hold it, and you have to pull it out. Just pull it up and it will come out. Oh, sorry, yeah, you have to keep it in neutral to pull this out, and you have to put a little bit more pressure. So you have to put a little bit more pressure, and then you can pull this out like this. So it will come out, as you can see. And you have to open that plastic trim. To open this up, you can just simply lift it up. These are the locks, so it's pretty easy. You don't have to put so much pressure. You can just put your hand over there and you can just pull it out like this, so it will come out. So after coming this out, we have few cables to move. So one is this one and second one is this one. You have to take them out. So let's do. And one more thing, guys, before taking all the wires out, make sure you remove the negative terminal of your car, so that when you are gonna put, so nothing gets short or something like that. So to do this, open your trunk and open this one up from here, and that's your negative terminal. So you can use 10 mm's ratchet to open this up. So yeah, so just remove the negative terminal only and make it loose. And yeah, and then you can put on side, so it doesn't get short when you are changing, when you are connecting new wires, new shifters. So yeah, so that's how you can remove the negative terminal. Now your car doesn't have any current, so we can easily remove this one. So to remove these plugs, you need a flathead screwdriver to do this. So we got this small flat screwdriver, so we're gonna use this one to open this up. So after unplugging these two, it will come out. And yeah, so we already got our wiring. So basically we have to just color match it. So it's pretty easy and simple. You don't have to, you know, require any skill or something like that. So these are already easy to do. These are just connectors. You have to just connect it. So these are the wires we got. So yeah, just match the color and then you are good to go. So as you can see, the first one is yellow, and these 4 colors, so that will go here. So as you can see, we make some connection. So that one big goes to that one. You can see the color is matching, and this one go with this. You can see all of the color are same, and that yellow red goes to that. So these 2 plugs gonna go into this one. So as you can see, that smaller will go into this one, and that white will go into this one. So let's do this one. So when you are putting these one, make sure a little bit careful, because these are a little bit tricky to put them back, and they don't have a locks over there. So we have to put some tape so that it doesn't come out when we are putting it back. So we got you can use black tape, we got that white. So we're gonna put this one. So after putting tape like this, that side is fine, that one is pretty tight, it's not gonna come out. So now our next step is to put that wire in this one, and yeah, so let's do that one. It's pretty easy, you can just connect it and put some tape over there, and on top of that you can slide this one, right? So yeah, let's do this one first, and then yeah, after putting tape on that, you can slide like this one, and yeah, then next step is to put everything back. Make sure you put all the wires back down there so that it doesn't come in a way. And yeah, so like this. Before putting this one, you make sure you move all the wires from here, and you can pull this down to lock perfectly. And yeah, as you can see, it's pretty tight over there. So to put this one down, you have to just hold that button, and then you can put it in the hole and push it down. Oh, it's not going in, let me see. So after putting this one back, make sure it's pretty tight. These are just locks, so you have to press it down, and then you have to hold that button to push your shifter all the way down, and make sure it's perfectly fit. Then you can leave this one and try to pull it out, it will not come out. So it's pretty fit. As you can try to move it, it's not gonna move. So yeah, it's perfectly fit over there. So our next step is to put our battery back, and we have to test this one. Put your battery back, it's pretty easy. You can just connect your negative terminal. You're gonna see some sparks, but it's all right. And then you can tighten this thing up. That ratchet. Make sure it's fully tight, and then you can put that thing back. And then you can lock it from here. And let's see how our shifter. So you can see the neutral light over there. We can turn on the ignition and see it start lighting up. So we can, it's neutral reverse, it's in park. So yeah, that's reverse, that's neutral, that's drive. Yeah, so it's working perfectly fine. So let's start the car and let's see. So yeah, reverse, neutral, and drive. Yeah, it's working perfectly fine. So yeah guys, that's how you can change your shifter, and you can put it in P. So yeah, that's how you can change your shifter on E90 to F30, and that's pretty cheap. We got it from Amazon. So thank you so much guys for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and thank you so much guys. Have a good one.